Universal set, difference A. Okay, now we'll write down the element of a universal set: A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G comma H. Then difference element of set A: B comma D comma F comma H. So what does mean by difference? To remove the element of A from the universal set. Okay, now we can remove the element B, D, F, H. What is the balance element? This is your A dash. Then A dash equal to element of A dash, which is equal to A comma C comma E comma G. This is the element of the complement of set A. Okay, what does mean by the complement of set A? Universal set, difference A. Universal set, difference A. The same way you can identify the complement of B. Complement of B is nothing but B dash. Complement of B dash is nothing but, complement of B is nothing but B dash. Universal set, difference B. Okay, universal set, difference B. Write down the element of a universal set: A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G comma H. Difference the element of set B: A comma D comma E comma H. Now this is the element of set B. Listen carefully to strike out the elements, using pencil to strike out the elements. Okay, that is for your understanding purpose. That's why I'm striking that element. Okay, A common elements to strike: A and D, E, H. What is the remaining element? B comma C comma F comma G. Okay, this is your B dash. Complement of a set B. B dash is nothing but B comma C comma F comma G. This is your set B dash. Okay, what does mean by A dash? Complement of a set A. Complement of a set A is nothing but A dash. B dash is nothing but complement of a set B. Okay, complement of a set B. Next is third subdivision. Subdivision number 3. A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Now we can join the two sets. Okay, the complement of A and complement of B. Whose union? Okay, complement of A and complement of B. Whose union? That is your A dash union B dash. Union na join. Okay, union na join, or simple words you can consider as a plus. Okay, to add the element. Okay, A dash, the element of set A dash. A comma C comma E comma G. That union B dash. B comma C comma F comma G. Okay, I'll write answer here itself. A comma B comma C comma C. There are C is representing A dash and B dash, but you'll write only one at a time. Okay, one element one at a time in the set. Okay, that's why don't repeat element C 2 times. Next step: A comma B comma C comma E comma F comma G. Yeah, this is your A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. To join the element of set A dash with B dash. A dash union B dash. Yeah, the repetition of elements C, C. Yeah, A dash also consists of C and B dash also consists of C. But repetition of element is not allowed inside a set. That's why I'll write only one C. Next, fourth subdivision. A dash intersection B dash. Okay, A dash intersection B dash. Yeah, what's the common element between A dash and B dash? What is the common element? Observe the two sets A dash and B dash. What is the common element? Yes, answer me quickly. What is the common element? What's the common element for A dash and B dash? Yes, very good. C and G. C comma G. Because directly here itself we can identify C, C, G, G. Okay, only the two elements are common. This is the answer for intersection between the complement of two sets A and B. Yes, complete this problem. Still 4 more subdivision is there. First we can complete up to this and then we'll continue this problem. The same model problem is fourth one, but is involving with a number. Yes, today onwards the homework is updated in Google Classroom. Yes, not right. I'll tell you the homework also. Copy this problem. Just one right. I'll tell you the homework. What's your today's homework? Just one right.
Ramon sir, are you there?
Sorry for the interruption, students. There is some technical issues for my side. Just not right. Just not right, students. Okay, listen carefully. We'll complete it. 1.3, the third one, till fourth subdivision. First, you can copy the four subdivisions. Complete this four subdivision. Students, I'm audible. My voice is clear. Students, I'm audible. My voice is clear. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, fifth subdivision. What is the fifth subdivision? They will given that A union B whole dash. Okay, A union B whole dash, and sixth subdivision A intersection B whole dash. First, you can identify A union B. Okay, first you can identify A union B. Next, you can identify that A union B whole dash. The same way for A intersection B whole dash also. Okay, next, fifth subdivision. Till the fourth subdivision, everybody completed. Till the fourth subdivision, everybody completed. Okay, the next one, fifth subdivision. Fifth subdivision, A union B whole dash and A intersection B whole dash. First, you can identify A union B. That A union B whole dash now, without identifying A union B, we could not identify A union B whole dash. Okay. Okay. Next, listen carefully. First, you can identify A union B. What does mean by A union B? Union of A and B. The element of set A, B, comma, D, comma, F, comma, H. Union element of set B, A, comma, D, comma, E, comma, H. Then you can join. That is union. Union of A union B is nothing but A, comma, B, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, H. Yeah, this is the union of A and B. A, comma, B, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, H. This is A union B. That A union B whole dash is nothing but universal set difference A union B. Universal set difference A union B. Write down the element of universal set A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, G, comma, H. And difference A union B. A, comma, B, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, H. Remove this element A, B, and D, E, F, H. What is the balanced element? C, comma, G. Yeah, that C, comma, G only. That A union B whole dash. Okay, A union B whole dash is nothing but the element C, comma, G. What does mean by A union B whole dash? Universal set difference A union B. The same way you can continue for that A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash. Yeah, A intersection B whole dash. Now first we can identify A intersection B. What does mean by A intersection B? Common for A and B. Okay, common for A and B. What are the elements are common for A and B? B, no. D, yes. We have the common element D. Next, F, no. H, common. So only the two elements are common between the set A and B. Okay, what are the elements? D, comma, H is the intersection between the two sets A and B. Next, A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash is nothing but universal set difference A intersection B. Write down the element of universal set A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, G, comma, H. Then difference A intersection B. That A intersection B is D, comma, H. Just you can strike out this element D and H. Write down the remaining element. That is your A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, E, comma, F, comma, G. This is your A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash. Yeah, for the fifth subdivision and sixth subdivision, we'll identify A union B whole dash and A intersection B whole dash. But first, we'll identify A union B and we can identify A union be the whole dash. That whole dash means to remove the element for this set from the universal set. Yeah, universal set difference A union B. Then A intersection B whole dash also, first we'll identify A intersection B. Next we can identify the complement. That complement or A intersection B, the whole dash is nothing but universal set difference A intersection B. The difference, not to remove this element. Okay, to remove the element from the first set. Yeah, universal set is the first set. To remove the element of A intersection B from the universal set and write down the remaining element in the universal set. Okay, after removing D and H. Okay, to remove the element D and H, now that element is not a member in the complement set. Okay, that is only the remove the element. Copy these two subdivisions. Okay, this is your homework. I'll write the homework here in this exercise. Okay, in this exercise, second one, first two subdivision, and fourth problem fully. Yeah, fourth problem fully. In this exercise, second one, first two subdivision, because I didn't complete the second problem, first two subdivision, and fourth problem fully. Only this is your today's homework. Okay. Second one, first two subdivision, and fourth problem fully. There are 8 subdivision in the fourth subdivision. Refer the third problem. Whatever procedure will apply for the third problem, once you can repeat for the fourth problem. But only one difference. Okay. Students, don't send your homework to the Google Classroom. Okay, submission of homework only in the mail, through mail, or only in PDF file. Okay, submission of your homework only in the mail, through mail. Okay, the homework also write the question. Okay, write the question and then answer neatly. Exercise number 1.3, second one, first two subdivision, fourth one full. Okay, the full, there are 8 subdivision. Fourth Roman letter, 8 subdivision is there. Okay, now we can complete the third one, fifth and sixth subdivision. Third one, fifth and sixth subdivision, that A union B whole dash and A intersection B whole dash. A union B whole dash. Now first you can identify A union B. Then only you can calculate the complement of the set A union B. Next, A intersection B whole dash. First you can identify A intersection B. Then only you can identify A intersection B whole dash. So this is only the idea. Apply the whatever idea will apply for this problem. Same thing once I can repeat for the fourth problem. And next one, seventh and eighth subdivision. Seventh and eighth subdivision. For the seventh and eighth subdivision is a complement of a set whose complement A dash whole dash, and next subdivision is B dash whole dash. Okay, the next subdivision is seventh subdivision, A dash whole dash. Yeah, what does mean by the A dash whole dash? Now universal set difference A dash. Already know the element of a universal set A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G comma H. Better we'll continue the next line. A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G comma H. What is the element of A dash? What is the element of A dash? That A dash is nothing but okay. This is the element of set A dash. Okay. This is the element of set A dash. Refer your first subdivision. Okay. Refer your first subdivision. No need to once again identify A dash. But examination, they will ask like A dash whole dash. Now first you can identify A dash next step. Okay, the next step only can identify A dash whole dash. Listen carefully, students. Yeah, this is the whole problem. They'll ask like na, no problem. That will refer the first subdivision, write down the answer. But examination, they will ask only one subdivision. Na. First, identify A dash. How to identify A dash? Universal set, difference A. Okay, next A dash whole dash. Na. Then universal set, difference A dash. Okay, this is universal set and this is A dash. Now we can remove the elements and write down the answer. A, C, E, G, B, D, F, H. Actually, A dash whole dash means the set A. A dash whole dash complement, then whose complement is the same set. Okay. First we can identify complement. Next we can identify the complement of the complement. Okay. That is your same set A. Therefore, the answer B, D, F, H. That is your set A. This is the idea for the 7th problem. Next, 8th problem. B dash whole dash. Nothing but universal set difference B dash. Universal set difference B dash. Write down the element of universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then difference the set D. The element of set B dash. B dash is nothing but B, F, G. Yeah, B, C, F, G. Yeah. Refer second subdivision. And write down the element of B dash. Now we can remove B, C, F, G. The remaining elements are A, D, E, H. A, D, E, H. That is your set B. Yeah. Set B dash whose complement. B dash whose complement. Okay. That B dash whole dash is nothing but the same set B. The same set B. A dash, the whole dash is nothing but A, and B dash whole dash is nothing but B. Yeah, that is also one of the results that I like here. A dash whole dash is nothing but A, B dash whole dash is nothing but B. Yeah, this is only the idea for the remaining two subdivisions. Let's go through this two subdivisions. So this problem is based on only the complement idea. All the subdivision will apply only the complement idea. Complement na universal set different set. Okay. For example, A dash na universal set different C. A union B whole dash na universal set different A union B. Yeah, this is only the idea. For all the subdivision is related with universal set only. Universal set different. What is your set A, B, or A union B or A intersection B? Because in this chapter, everything has the same common similar idea only will apply. Okay. Because for all the 8 subdivisions apply only one uniform idea. Universal set different. What is the set will apply? Because the set is not too difficult, very simple. Yeah. But one thing is very important to carefully strike out the element. Yeah. For this only, lot of members made a mistake. To striking the element using pencil. Yeah, using pencil to strike out the element, then you can easily rectify your mistake. Suppose mistake instead of E, you'll mistakenly strike out the element D na. Then once you come to cross check, okay, once you come to cross check, then that time, then easily you can change and write down the answer. Yeah. Next one, 5th problem, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference between the following set. Okay, identify the symmetric difference between the following set. Yeah, find the symmetric difference between the following set. Shall we know the idea for symmetric difference? What is symmetric difference? That A symmetric difference B is defined as A difference B union B difference A. Okay, A difference B union B difference A. That is also correct. Otherwise, in the note we learn one point. What is the point related with A difference B? That A difference B is equal to A union B difference A intersection B. For one problem, we'll done like difference between the two sets, and one problem will done like A intersection B and A union B idea. Okay, and symmetric difference between the two sets A and B. Anybody having any doubt in this model? Do we have any problem? Okay, just you can go through the symmetric difference idea. Okay, then we'll meet on tomorrow session. Complete the homework. Okay, and hereafter I'll push up my teaching. I think receive your next that cycle test information. Okay, that's why you can on daily basis you must go through every part of your lesson. Okay, thank you everyone.